Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I have a really quick, fun craft. It's very inexpensive. It's also great for kids to do. And that is how I made this necklace out of foam. Just strictly foam and fish wire. I also made this one as well. This one has a little bit of beads on it, and the ruffles or folds down here are a little bit thicker and bigger. And I just love these. These were the first style of necklaces that I actually started making about 6 years ago. They're easy to make, simple to make, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into this craft, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is pick out your foam colors. I'm going to use this brown and some coral, and then you are just going to want to cut out strips. Now the thickness will depend on how thick or skinny your ruffles, your folds are. I'm going to do these smaller than the coral color, and you pretty much just cut the whole sheet. That's all you're going to do, because these take a lot. So just go ahead, keep cutting until your whole strip, well, your whole thing is completely cut. Okay, once you have all your strips, next you're going to need a hole puncher. And you're just going to take your strips and punch a hole anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. And you're going to make sure that you punch the hole in the middle of the paper, so that when it folds, it's even on both sides. So pretty much just like that on the whole strip. And you're going to do that with all of them. I know it can be time consuming, but I guarantee you it goes by like really quickly. Okay, so I have all of my strips cut. I have the holes punched in them. I have it in the order that I'm going to be, doing it from side to side. I'm going to also add beads. I got these beads from Walmart for 99 cents. I'm going to be using pretty much like clear fishing line. This is not the stretchy kind. I have not done this type of necklace with the elastic cord, so I'm not sure how that would, how that would work out. But pretty much all you're going to do is take a strip. All right, I want to get a little bit closer so you can see. And all you're going to do is, let me move the camera closer. Okay, all you're going to do is you just go in through the bottom hole, and then it's going to come out on that side. You're going to take it back through, and you're just going to keep weaving it in and out of your holes that you have. Come on. Yeah, just keep weaving it in and out until you get all the way up to the top. Okay, so once you get it all the way to the top and you weave it through the last one, you are now able to pull on the string just slightly, and you will see it start to fold and wrap up. I'm trying to pull it, but my fingers is acting like they're slippery. But as you can see, it will pretty much start to crunch up. I'm going to go ahead and tape my other end down to the table, because that's what I usually do. And then I just, push them on one at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you're just going to keep going, weaving it in from side to side, from, one hole to the next until you get to the end. And then just go ahead and push it on down your line. And as you can see, it is starting to fold up. And, this is pretty much my necklace right there. This is just 2 strips, which is why it takes a lot of foam. Yeah, so I'm going to keep on going, and I will be back. Okay, and then when you're done, you're just simply going to take the 2 ends and tie them together like you would a normal tie. You'll see it scrunch up, and and you just go ahead and tie it in a knot. Y'all can see I got a lot of string. Cut this extra string while I tie it. And I usually tie it about a good, 6 times before I finally just cut it. Alright, that's about good. Go ahead and snip it and twist them to where you can't see it, and that's how I ended up doing that one. As you can see, with the thicker coral color, how the folds are a lot bigger than these on the sides. So I just wanted to show you the difference in that. As well as this is what it looks like, you know, if you add like some beads or some charms compared to just, you know, leaving it plain. And then of course, because it's so big, you can just slip it on over your neck and adjust it to how you want it, and you're good to go. So if you have any questions, this one is my favorite one. And it's so lightweight, like it feels like you don't even have anything on, like seriously. So, and oh, also, before I forget, you can also use like the glitter, you know, the glitter sheets with it also. So get creative with this, you know, use a bunch of prints, you know, different things like this would be cute. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.